In this video we're going to go over Builderall's Roulette tool. What is up guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video we're going to be going over Builderall's own Roulette tool. And if you don't know what this is, it's basically a exit pop or a pop-up where people can spin to win something on your website. So you can have coupon vouchers and stuff like that, or any prizes that you want people to win, and it can redirect them to your prizes once they land on it. So you input all the variables, you set up what you want, like 20% off or free ticket or whatever you want people to be able to win on the roulette wheel, and then you stick it into your website and that will pop up when they try to leave, or pop up whenever you trigger it to pop up. So very powerful on keeping people around when they're thinking of leaving, because everyone loves to spin to win, everyone loves to win stuff, everyone loves to have some sort of gamification for winning something. So very powerful on capturing customers and clients which may have otherwise left. So without further ado, let's jump in. This is a kind of pop-up coupon generating tool which allows you to put a little pop-up game when someone tries to exit, to keep them on the page, to keep them from leaving. So let's jump into the roulette tool and have a quick look. So we're now in the roulette tool, and we're going to come and edit the roulette tool so you can see a little bit about what it is. And here we have the roulette tool, so you can have a percentage of a discount or spin again or anything like that. So it's kind of like a mini game that you can put on your websites when someone tries to exit, to increase your conversions and to increase your retention on your website. So another handy little tool which Builderall does. A lot of the tools that we're covering on this video are the smaller kinds of tools. The bigger tools were on the first video, but it's all the little tools that add up to increase your conversions that little bit, and before you know it, you add and combine a couple of the tools and you're increasing your conversion rates to much higher levels than you would without these tools. So roulette again is a good way to keep people from leaving your website and wanting to play games, because everyone wants to play games, everyone wants to win something. So that's a good way to keep people around. So there was a very quick overview of Builderall's own roulette tool. I hope you found some value in the tool. If you're ready to get started with Builderall and the roulette and all of the tools that they offer, click the link in the description to start your unlimited 7-day free trial with Builderall, which gives you access to the roulette tool and all the 29 plus other tools included in the Builderall platform. And as always, I hope you found this video useful and enjoyed it, and if you did, please smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I'll see you in another video.